You are welcome to the Wealthy Continent channel, a channel dedicated to the great people and continent of Africa. One of the most precious gifts you and I have been given is our mind. And if we're going to maximize it, then consistent renewal is non-negotiable. Please think about it. If it makes sense to you, use it. Otherwise, bin it. Most of the time, people will not see you when you are on the journey. They only see you when you have arrived there. Remember, perspective matters. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.